This section we will explain M operation. M mode is suitable for temporary operation and small plots with irregular boundaries. M mode eliminates the need to plan routes in advance and operations can be started after dosing. Kickstart, select M mode. Set operation parameters. Precise mode is recommended. Select sword channel high efficiency for pump mode. Set boot dosage according to the actual situation. Traverse distance of 6-8 meters is recommended. The faster the flight, the more efficient the operation. Click sure and setting up is successful. Unlock the drone and take off to the working area. Click start operation. Click lock direction. Pushing the stick at this time will not change the flight direction. Push stick forward to fly the drone to the other end of the plot. When flying with a stick to the maximum flight speed of drone is the set parameters. Hover after reaching the plot boundary. Select left and right traverse according to the actual situation. Select right traverse. Click him to end the operation. Operation report is available to view.